We'll guide you through how to use Claude Chat, an intuitive AI assistant designed to make your tasks easier and more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude Chat website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign up or log in at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up and fill in the necessary details like your email and a secure password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can start a new chat by clicking on the New Chat button. This will open a text input area where you can type your questions or commands. Claude Chat is designed to understand natural language, so you can ask it anything from setting reminders to answering complex questions or even generating creative content. If you need help with specific tasks, like creating a to-do list, just type your request, and Claude will guide you through it. You'll notice on the left side of the dashboard, there are options to access previous chats, settings, and help if you need further assistance. Claude Chat also offers personalization features. You can access these by clicking on your profile icon at the top right and selecting Settings. Here, you can customize your experience, change your display preferences, or manage notification settings. Remember, Claude Chat continuously learns from your interactions to provide better responses over time. And that's about it. With these steps, you're all set to make the most of Claude Chat, enhancing productivity and creativity in your daily tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.